Welcome to another episode of Crypto Miner, guys. Today we'll be analyzing what is happening in the Bitcoin price right here, right now, because people are stressing too much. It's the closing of the week. Things are looking really blurry right now because the price have been pushing all the way down from the bears, and people don't know right now if they should long or short at this point. So we can find the next Bitcoin trade we should take. We are going to be explaining everything in the chart, but before this, go scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all notifications so you guys get this very nice fresh content we are sharing every time just for you. We try to push it as fast as possible so we can get the next major move. So let's go directly there to find out what we see in the charts right here, right now. At this moment, we are checking in the chart, on the weekly chart, as far as you can see right here. We have the money flow, the green wave going all the way towards the downside. Now we should see a kind of recovery, guys, right here, because things are gonna look really bad in case this is going towards the downside. And this is how it looks like regarding the VWAP waves right now. So what is this? Is this a threat? Yes, guys. You should be cautious because also the resistance line on the RSI doesn't look so great, and you can see this even better on the 3-day charts. We should see another leg towards the upper side, and of course break this resistance line on the RSI for the Bitcoin, because the things are not looking so good right now. What is the next thing we could see is a support line that we could be creating on the downside of the RSI, the related strength index at this point. So guys, check in here. We have one red wave on the money flow, and then we have a green wave going towards the downside, another small one, and now what we are expecting after this red wave is maybe a smaller green and then a bigger red coming in. So things are not looking so good as far as you can see also on the 3-day chart. Is this something that we should worry about in case we are bulls? Guys, things are not looking so good right now. We should see a kind of recovery. We should see another leg towards the upper side, and the major resistance line that is holding is right now here. So we have been mentioning all of the scenarios on the Twitter account as well. You can go and find everything in the pinned comment section down below. And of course, guys, if you want to also have the money flows and everything, you can find them on the market. CIPHER only is one of the best indicators in the market. You can find an insane discount we are giving without actually getting any money from people, and we just give it because we have the cooperation with CRYPTOFACE. And of course, thank him so much for this, that he can give this amazing discount for our community as well. So as far as you can see on the daily chart, pretty much things are looking in the same kind of position, but we have this leg towards the downside. We are gonna be explaining what is happening right here and why we have this descending broadening wedge at this point. Could this be another bull scenario? Guys, the thing is that right now we are in a consolidation period, and what you should wonder is if we are coming to retrace and touch this area to the 44,500. This is the major level to watch right now, and we are going to be explaining, because also the fib levels are pointing. If you take this from the higher high to the lower level right here, you can understand that the 0.618 and 0.5 area is one of the most important things to watch right now. And yes, this information is actually very legit, because we see that these kind of scenarios are very possible of retracements, and of course pointing another direction towards the upper side. What am I expecting at this point is that the very nice recovery we had and the retrace back to the 0.5 level I have mentioned down here. You can go and find this also in the Twitter. The whole scenario that I was explaining is that after a 2-hour close, I would like to see, I would close my trade. So this is what I've done. I closed my trade, but also I didn't wonder so much why I have done this, since I have been taking profits all the way up, because I have been watching this resistance line. I have been mentioning this, and also the resistance line that is coming from the upper side. and this major scenario that I was pointing many weeks ago. Now, the thing is that we have a kind of resistance line at this point right now. So this is what I'm actually pointing. Okay, so this is the area that I'm watching very cautiously in case we are not retracing to the upper side. So I believe, and I know very well, that many of the bears are pointing this territory right now. This is the territory where the shorts are going to be placed, and those guys are watching towards the downside. And the major level to watch I'm going to be pointing is, you will see also very nicely, look at this guys, this is actually insane. If you take your fib levels, you can realize the Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high of this move is exactly here. The 0.5, 0.618 is this area that I have been pointing, guys, and the level that I am watching at least reaching is the 40,750. So this is the area I am watching in case we don't see a leg towards the upper side over here. So what is the scenario that I'm pointing? I can draw this to you guys. I hope this is going to help you out. So this is the leg towards we had the downside, and then this is the major area I am watching. So the thing that I want to see and for sure be clear about, because you will see, guys, many short positions coming all the way towards the downside here. I want to see a leg towards the upper side retracing back so I can be bullish to this move, and then a leg towards the upper side so we can break this insane descending broadening wedge at this point. Another confirmation shouldn't go further down than this area. Okay, so this is what I'm watching. This is the most bullish scenario we could have right now with another leg towards the upper side. This would be the most insane move, though the money flow at this point is turning from green towards the downside. Could we have a leg towards the upper side? Yes, if this VWAP wave is going all the way up, so we can touch at least this point. So this is the major level I'm watching. The 44,500 area here is very dangerous, because the bears are going to push towards the downside, and we know about these guys. This has been major necklines and is not a good area. Now, a very bullish thing that is happening at this point is that we are retracing back over to this area. The 0.618 here is 0.5. This is the opposite area that I have been pointing, and I was saying that this is an area to actually load your bags in case you want to see a leg towards the upper side. So the bulls will actually load their bags here, but what we should see is this kind of scenario holding the support line right here, and then another move that can retrace but don't go lower than the 0.5, so we can have a leg towards the upper side. This is the most bullish scenario. Otherwise, expect a move like this and then retracing back to further towards the downside and touching this level. That's all, and this is the scenarios that I have for you guys. And of course, I hope you appreciate this content. I hope you like it, and of course, go directly find everything in the pinned comment section down below in case you want to trade like a pro. The Crypto Miner Academy .com/academy. You can go and find your personal instructor right there, and of course we will try to place you as fast as possible to the courses that are pretty packed right now at this period of time, but we will try to do our best so we can find you an instructor so you can have an amazing insane trading career, and of course become a professional trader if you really wish. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in the next one. Crypto Miner. Bye bye.